Do I care if he gets too much sugar? Sure I do.
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The Ministry of Defense have issued a national emergency alert notification for the Fallish people. This is not a test. The Ministry of Defense have issued a national emergency alert notification for the Fallish people. This is not a test. The following message is being delivered at the request of the Fallish government. An attack on this nation has been identified. The Ministry of Defense has detected the launch of 4 nuclear missiles. It has been verified that these missiles are directed towards Falland. These missiles are expected to be armed with nuclear warheads. All civilians in Falland are encouraged to remain calm and seek refuge underground. Make sure you have enough non-perishable canned meals and drinkable water for the next 14 days.